Hey everybody, it's me, Timmy the Bunker Boy, coming at you live from the bunker to give you things to do in these trying times in your bunker. To pass the time, let's say you didn't get a chance to run upstairs before this whole quarantine happened and you grabbed a box of your wife's DVDs and you forgot to grab your DVDs. That's what happened to old Timmy here. Timmy here forgot to grab my DVDs and I've been watching a lot of Friends. Never saw it when it was aired. Now I'm watching a lot of Friends. But if you want to do something else to pass the time, if you don't want to be a couch potato, I got some fun things to do. How about darts? You remember when bars were open and we used to go and play darts? That was so fun. You used to throw the darts. I always had to yell, get out of the way, because people always got in the way. I'm going to show you, Timmy's going to show you, I made a diagram how you make homemade bunker dartboard. Now you see here, you got a clothesline, which is a rope from the airbed from the last episode. Wood pin, some clothespins you hang it up, and then you make it out of some cardboard you have from, hopefully you have cardboard running around the house, and you make yourself a little dartboard with all the numbers. Pretty fun. If you want to get fancy with it, you could maybe, instead of the numbers, you put little things like maybe what you want to eat for dinner. Like let's say if you hit the 17, you have a can of beans. You hit the 8, you got a can of baked beans. Hit the 6. Can of Goya beans that you got a flavor. Maybe here, the bullseyes, maybe you got sardines. Open up that can of sardines. They might do it. Now, you might ask yourself, hey, Timmy, self, what do we use as darts? Maybe I don't have darts down here. Well, Timmy's got your solution. Here we go. Version 1 of darts, toilet paper roll. Then you pull out some human hair from stress that hopefully the hair is falling out of your head. You tape it on there with some Scotch tape and sewing needles. Now, if that don't work right, you could do version 2 with a box cutter and some hawk feathers. Hopefully you grab some hawk feathers. I know I grabbed a bunch before this all went crazy because I was making myself a nice feathered jacket. So you grab the hawk feathers, you tape it with some Scotch tape, put it on a box cutter. I think version 1 works a little better, but version 2 is pretty good if you want a little bit of weight to your darts. So that's it for your homemade dartboard. Hopefully everyone's having a good time. I'm going to keep watching Friends, see if Ross and Rachel actually get together. It's a very good show, I'll tell you the truth. I'm watching a lot of it. So that's it. I'm Timmy. Remember, stay safe. Don't leave. Bullseye. Yeah.